Hi friends, it's Sonia here और आज हम करने वाले हैं decoupage and mixed media art and I'm going to alter this plastic box. So first I'm applying my white gesso and I'm going to make sure that I apply this generously on my complete box. Now of course I don't need to mention this, but you guys can check all these supplies on our website at growingcraft.com. I have mentioned all the supplies list in the video description box. You guys can check that. So yeah, here I'm done with my one coat of gesso. Off camera I did one more coat and then I'm going to let it dry completely. Now here in this project I am going to use my decoupage napkins. If you want you can use your massive decoupage papers also, and choose the design pattern you want. Accordingly you can play around with your colors and your project. Now just in case if you guys don't know, I also have tons of tutorial on my YouTube channel. You guys can check that. I have tons of videos and content on my Facebook page and on Instagram. Please do check that. Now here I'm just doing a bit of fuzzy cutting work. Thoda drama to banta hai boss. So yeah, here a little bit of more of fuzzy cutting work, and now here I'm going to stick my napkins. So for sticking this, I am going to use my decoupage glue. You need to be generous whenever you're sticking your glues and make sure that you stick your napkins, your papers really well. And this is something which I swear by, like adding new life to your old plastic containers, boxes, something which I really like. That's the best use of like literally reusing your stuff, and trust me, it looks beautiful and it looks amazing. So here I will just quickly stick the napkin, just in case if you want to check out the detailed tutorial. It is there on my YouTube channel, it is there on my Facebook page. You guys can check that. This is a quick version. On that video I have done the detailed voiceover, so that will be a little more easier for you guys. So here after doing my sticking work, I'm using my heat gun to try this out. And yeah, just in case if you guys want me to share the link of my channels and my mediums, I have already done that in the description box. You guys can do check that. Now applying a coat of varnish before moving on to the next step, and I'm going to make sure that I apply and stick this really well. And yeah, this is one of the ways of not letting your napkins absorb the colors in the other mediums. If you're using a decoupage paper, I think without varnish you guys can do, but it depends on which brand and which quality paper you're using. So definitely that makes a huge difference. So yeah, here I am going to add a lot of varnish to my project. Just in case if you guys don't know, Massive has come up with its own decoupage varnish and I absolutely love it. I really like it. Now here in this video you can see my varnish is a bit drying, so yeah, that's fine, but I can still use it, right? Now moving on to the next step, here I'm going to use my gold chalk paint and I'm going to create a beautiful border around it. So you can use your metallic chalk paints, you can use your metallic and the shimmer chalk paints, and they look absolutely gorgeous. Now my project has a lot of gold color. Now the Buddha and the floral had some tinge of gold and it looked really nice, so I just thought of adding a gold color. Now it's up to you guys. If you guys want, you can literally use any other color too. Now it's time for the color blending, and here I have already taken up two shades. One is like yellow color, the other one is a brown color, and I'm going to have a nice color blend. So with my spray bottle, it looks very fancy, but it is a basic spray water jar what I have, and I'm going to add my color blending technique, and I'm using a lot of chalk paints and water and my anukul brush, and I'm going to use my heat gun so that I keep on giving that beautiful effect on my base, right? So this is one of the amazing way of not having just one shade of color and having a lot of shades and a beautiful shady effect on your projects, and they look really gorgeous. So yeah, definitely heat gun is my time saving tool, which I really vouch for. Yeah. Now moving on to the next step, of course I had to do my massive stamping. Now Massive has come up with a beautiful stamp collection, like the floral ones and the symmetrical shapes and this beautiful backgrounds, and I really like it, and I just thought of adding some of these sentiments on my project. Now of course the lid top was having some texture, so you cannot see the complete floral pattern, but on the sides of my box, I have literally done the floral stamp and it looks superbly gorgeous. So this is how you can use your massive stamp. I'm using different ink pads shades so that I can just add a little more drama to my project, like from black, gray, brown, and it looks really cool. So I just feel that yes, you should have a permanent ink pad of different shades. Again, like, not to mention, all these supplies are available on our website at growingcraft.com. Links are there in the description box, you guys can check that. I would love to know your feedback regarding our tutorials. Like, it takes so much effort from our side to create a tutorial and to work on the video, then voiceover, then editing, and there is so much of work. So your one comment makes a lot of difference. So please do leave your feedbacks in the comment section. We read each and every comment, and trust me, I reply them of my own. So yeah, please do that. I will be more than happy to know that what you think of our project. Now, once my stamping work is done, this looks gorgeous. Now it's time to seal it up, and for sealing it up, again, I'm going to use my varnish. And yeah, this is like at least 2 coats of varnish are required. Why varnishes are required, I have already done a detailed video. You guys can check that on my YouTube channel. So yeah, with this tutorial is done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this session. Do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you and take care, and bye bye.